Hello everyone. Let me introduce CKIC, High Frequency Induction Fusion Machine. After we unpack it, there is a High Frequency Induction Fusion Machine, a chiller, and spare parts. Let's first take a look at what's inside the box. There are enclosed documents, a user manual, a sample tray for placing samples, the flux, the oxidant, the releasing agent, and some weighing papers. Most importantly, there is the platinum gold crucible, which is a valuable item. Upon receiving the goods, please store the platinum crucible carefully. By default, 1 bottle of each reagent is included, and there are 2 heat-resisting ceramic holders. Let's check the chiller, which is already unpacked. An instruction manual is attached. We should remove the wrapping film, and then the lid. Only the tape is needed. The other spare parts can be set aside. We have configured the connectors as specified. In the box, there are 2 dedicated connectors. We have configured, along with a wrench. Now, let's check how to connect them. This is the outlet, and that is the inlet for the chiller. First, we should wrap it with PTFE tape, and then tighten it up by hand. Repeat the same steps for the lower one. Finally, use a wrench to tighten it, without too much force to ensure no leaks. Be sure to wrap it around here with PTFE tape, to avoid the leak. The unit comes with 2 hoses. On the back of the machine, there are 2 ports, the water inlet and the water outlet, which are inserted by these 2 hoses respectively. Connect the hose attached to the machine's inlet port to the chiller's outlet. Then, connect the hose attached to the machine's outlet port to the chiller's inlet. This completes the hose connection. The chiller uses a standard 220 volts 3-prong power cord. Simply plug it into a grounded outlet. This is the drain outlet to discharge water. This is the water tank, which requires adding pure water, like Wahaha, Watson's, or water made by water generator. Fill the tank to the line with pure water, then put the lid on. Now look at the front panel of the chiller. Once powered on, the chiller enters the standby mode. No additional operation is required. There are wooden boards under the machine, which needs to be disassembled, and then disassemble the wooden base and attach the 4 provided casters for portability. The next one is the circuit. We provide a Samsung computer. Here are 3 electric wires. The brown is the live wire, the blue one is the neutral wire, and the black one is the earth wire, which can be directly connected to the circuit breaker in the wall. As specified in the instruction manual, the HF3000 model has a rated power of 8 kilowatts, requiring a 32 ampere circuit breaker. And now the fusion machine. There are 2 holders, the upper holder and the lower holder. The lower one is just placed right here, and the upper one must be put in the right direction. It must be fitted in the upper left corner here, smoothly to prevent damage. And these 2 parts should fit snugly against each other. Ensure it is in the correct direction. There is tape wrapped around here, and what is it used for? There may be some accidents during the debugging process, so the tape, which is included in the box, is needed to tighten the coils so that the ceramic holder won't shake. It's dangerous if it isn't wrapped tightly, as the ceramic holder may fall out during operation. If it's not tight enough, wrap it a few more times. As you can see, we've taped it in these 3 positions to tighten the holder. And now these 2 holders are in place. Because we debug each instrument before delivery, the holders will definitely be exposed to burning. During the process, there will definitely be some marks on it. These holders are all brand new. When the power is on, turn on the circuit breaker, and then press the power button. There will be an action of resetting. Therefore, we must place the crucible after starting up the machine, and now it's time to log in, and the password is 123456. Generally, we choose the automatic mode. In this mode, we can preset 20 methods, and then it's turn to weigh the sample. The crucible is split into 2 parts, one for fusion and the other for molding. After using a balance to weigh the sample, we should place the crucible There are 2 notches in the crucible. It fits into these 2 positions on the holder. After it is placed and rotated 90 degrees, it will be securely locked, and then put this one on the lower holder. Finally, click Start. Check if the mold is level during the first experiment. If not, reposition the holder. Make sure that it is lying flat to achieve successful fusion.